Welcome back to an episode of Mechanical Nightmare. This customer's complaint was, my truck won't move. This customer's car came in having some overheating issues, and unfortunately for them, the mechanic found this. This Ford Focus came in with a complaint of a coolant leak. This is apparently quite a common issue on these where the heater port connections start leaking. You've got to make do when there's no drain plug. This customer came into the shop for an unrelated issue, and 30 seconds after leaving, one of their tires had this crazy blowout, so they turned straight back into the shop.
As you can see here, this is your typical Midwest rust. And look, the shocks are disconnected. And that's why the exhaust was loud, because that thing is missing right here.
Customer states, my car sat for a few days and now it sounds like this? Sounds like it's time for a new engine. Yet another customer who has been extremely slack on their oil changes. Customer states, I was just driving when my speedometer started doing this.
Whoever was the last person in this car, f*** you. Who glues the who glues the connector to the coil? Like super glue. Like that shit's forever. So I had to take the whole harness down to the O2 sensor and pull it up from the back of the motor all the way down there.
Ouch. This BMW turned into a milkshake machine after the head warped. This customer's vehicle makes this loud whining noise at exactly 40 miles per hour. Customer states, my Mazda runs for 1 second then just stops every time. This is most likely a fuel pump issue, which is quite common for this model and needs to be replaced.
Okay. Press again.
While on a short road trip, this customer's car started this knocking noise 30 minutes before they got home. It's most likely a spun bearing, unfortunately. Thanks for watching. You can submit your own videos using the link below. Also remember to like and subscribe.